Tennessee, can you turn it, please? To show off, and I'll let you another one. Still snigging it. Oh, see?
You're turning it.
Keep going.
Good job,
Can
Tennessee.
you turn it a little bit more? Keep turning it. Very nice. Thank you. Is that not like the coolest thing ever?
That is the coolest.
Could you get it
It's
on
on
video?
video.
Oh,
Yeah. That is the coolest thing ever. Can you turn it the other way? Can you turn it towards the bridge now? Some people might think that was the wind. Can you show them that it really was you? Oh.
oh.
No, yeah, no.
Because the smoke would be going along.
And also, if it was like a gust of wind, it would just blow.
There it goes.
Went the other way. Oh, I'm sorry. I put my hand right in
Towards the
front of that.
bridge. Yeah.
He did. He turned it both ways.
Yeah, he did it.
Thank you, Tennessee.
Very nice. Go ahead and turn it however you want. I love watching it. I love watching you turn it. Can you turn it the other way? Turn it more this way. Yep, keep going. It's starting to. There you go. Keep it going. Turn it the whole way. Very nice. Thank you, Tennessee.
So
Oh, see? Back the other way.
Oh my gosh.
I mean,